Hello guys, let's talk about Banggood. Because when I started with FPV, the first store I found was Banggood, and I thought, oh well, a Chinese site, how serious is this? And yeah, I was looking for reviews and I couldn't find that much. So after about 50 orders, I thought let's make a little review. First of all, they don't sell fake products, I think. So till now I didn't had any fake product. I guess there could be some things, so don't judge me, but it's not like AliExpress or something. There you will get much fake products, and here it's a little bit more expensive than AliExpress, but most products are cheaper than in other stores. So if I can find the product I need, I will buy it on Banggood. As you can see, I ordered pretty much and never had any issue with quality or other things. Yeah, uh, because I was talking about fake products. This is an alien fake, so but it's called Martian 2. So yeah, don't know if you can call it fake or not. But I bought the most setups for my quad. I bought even my Fat Shark goggle, which is 438 euros. From my 50 orders, it didn't arrive, I guess, two or three little things the vibration pads or something, but I never had any issue when I wrote the support. They need a picture or and a video. If this is one package, yeah, you see this is one package, and there are the motors missing. I just made a picture and the video of all things that arrived, and if the motors aren't there, I just write them, and they always resend the product what was missing, or I got the money back last week. And that was the point where I thought let's make a review because I was really happy about the customer support. The plus and minus pads of my new ESC, you can see it in the picture. I don't know what happened, but I guess it was a quality issue. And I just sent them this picture and a video. And 2 days later, they wrote me, yeah, is it fine? We will give you 50 euros. And yeah, that's awesome. If you want to make an order, yeah, you can see I have the application Honey and it's looking for coupons if anything is working. I always was looking for coupons, and in the most cases, some worked. So if you want to buy something, look for coupons. Yeah, in this case, honey sucked. But if you want to order something, don't take the fastest shipping method. You can choose which shipping method you want to use. And yeah, sometimes there's free shipping, and it's sometimes it's really fast. In one case, it was faster than priority. I noticed if you take the fast shipping methods in my country, in Austria, most time I had to pay extra when it arrived in my country. And when I was taking the free shipping method or the normal standard shipping or air or a cheap method, I never had to pay when it arrived in my country. So I guess they check it more often when you're taking a fast shipping method. Keep that in mind. And yeah, I don't use the tariff insurance. I never had any problem when something was missing, so don't need to waste that extra money, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Most times I pay with PayPal because otherwise you have to wait longer, or you want to pay with a credit card, then it's also fast. But yeah, I wish you a great day. I hope this review helped someone. Bye.